families of late Alhaji Ibrahim Mambo and that of Kawu Mohammed Ali Gombe cordially invite you to attend the wedding party of their children, Mustafa Ibrahim Mambo, popular known as Mustafa Algoni, and Zulehat Mohammed Ali Gombe, popular known as Zaihat, which is scheduled to take place as follow: Friday, 26 June 2020, venue Unguwar Gabas, Masallacin Makera, Shandam, Plateau State, time 8 a.m. Reception Saturday, 27 June 2020, venue 44G Dambuwa Road behind Umar Gamaye Filling Station, Planning Street, Maiduguri, time 9 a.m. Dinner Saturday, 27 June 2020, venue Command Guest House, Maiduguri, Bagarod, Niamey Malari Cantonment, Borno State, time 5. Budankai Sunday, 28 June 2020, venue 44G Dambuwa Road behind Umar Gamaye Filling Station, Planning Street, Maiduguri, time 4 p.m. Come one, come all. This message is coming to you from Alhaji Ubada Musaidu, popular known as MC Enyarbawa.
I begin to fall in love.